Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet and sa ating Evil Eye Ring and sa ating Evil Eye Necklace, just message me. Okay? So, hintay-hintay na lang sa ating mga feedback ng mga item natin. Okay? Yeah. May mga magagandang feedback ito. Hindi ko palang nagagawa. Oo, hindi ko palang naipopose. Okay. So, yeah, this is like overall protection. Okay. So, let's start. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. So, ano ba ang message for you? Air signs. Okay. Anong message for you? Ten of Cups in reverse, the Temperance. So, parang meron ditong pwedeng magkaroon ng sabihin nating issue, no? Family, pwedeng issue pagdating sa happiness, parang ganyan. Pero nandito kasi someone is like, nagiging patas lang or nagiging fair. Okay? So, pwede kasing meron ditong something like sacrificing energy na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Yeah. What else for you, air signs? Okay. So, pasensya na po ha sa mga ingay-ingay sa background. Okay. So, the Nine of Cups and the Magician in reverse. Okay. So, meron ditong ito ha, some of you, meron ditong water sign, Virgo, ang parang nagmamanifest. Okay? Pagdating sa inyo, like, sana makuha kita. Parang ganyan. I think, manifesting a specific person is hindi na rin nalalayo sa mga rituals, mga spells. Yes. Bakit? Kasi ginugulo ang frequency. Okay? Ginugulo. Yung pagwi-wish, ganyan. Okay? So, I think meron ditong water sign ang minamanifest ka. Okay, minamanifest kayo. Yeah. Water sign or Virgo, meron, nandito yung Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, the Four of Cups. Yeah, Judgment. Someone is like overthinking. Someone is sad pagdating sa isang natapos. Okay? Pagdating sa isang nag-end na cycle. Yeah, this is ending. May nangyaring ending, mga air signs. Some of you, okay, in the near future, may mangyayaring ending of a cycle which is pwedeng magdulot ng sadness. Okay? Pwedeng sa'yo or pwedeng sa ibang tao. Okay? Pero, mangyayari to dahil kailangan or dahil para mas maging okay kung ano man ang sitwasyon. Okay? So, ngayon, pwedeng may mga confusing situation, yung iba sa inyo. Pwede kasing, yun nga, merong parang gumugulo ng frequency nyo ngayon. Malakas dito ang Scorpio, Sagittarius, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and meron ding Virgo. Okay. Next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ano bang meron? Anong message for you? Anong message for fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. The Chariot in reverse and the Temperance. Okay. A delay. May mapopostpone. Ito fire signs. This is channeled. Okay? Gawin yung senyales, yung bagay. Kunyari, ito ay specific. Kunyari, aalis kayo. Tapos may mga bagay na parang nagdudulot ng hindrance, nagdudulot ng delay. Ibig sabihin, wag nyo munang ituloy yung lakad. Okay? Kung may mga sarili kayong sasakyan, pwedeng nawawala yung susi, ganyan. Okay? So, palipasin muna yung araw. Okay? Palipasin muna yung, this is a gabay. Okay? This is a gabay. Kailangan nyo munang palipasin. Oo, lalo na kung hindi naman masyadong kaimportantehan yung gagawin. Okay? Yung inyong pupuntahan. Or, yeah. Okay? Palipasin nyo muna. May something. Okay? So, inilalayo na lang kayo sa pwedeng hindi magandang mangyari. Okay? So, yeah. Delay nyo muna yung lakad if ever. Lalo na kung, yun nga, may mga nawawala, may mga, di ba? Like, parang may pumipigil. Di ba? Okay. Pero in general, kung sa tingin nyo parang hindi maging maganda yung sitwasyon, I think kailangan itigil. Okay? Kailangan ialis or i-end muna. I-post. Okay? The Three of Wands. The Queen of Pentacles. Someone is thinking of you. Pwedeng mother figure, father figure, someone na malayo. Okay? Meron ditong parang nangangamba pagdating sa mga anak. Happy ba sila? Sana okay sila. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, ialis mo yung sarili sa, pwedeng ikaw ito, no? Na parang nangangamba. Ialis mo yung sarili mo sa ganoon sitwasyon, like isip ka ng isip. Kasi pwedeng ikapahamak mo rin, pwedeng ma-stress ka, pwedeng hindi maging maganda ang situation mo, no? So, mas maganda, focus ka sa ginagawa mo para sa kanila. Okay? Huwag mong masyadong kaisipin. Lalo na kung alam mo naman na may mga nag-aalaga. You can call. You can message them. Pero kung sa tingin mo, yung parang walang yung walang connection talaga, I think kailangan mo gumawa ng way para makontak, para malaman mo kung anong lagay nila. Someone kasi is thinking, overthinking, or may nag-aalala. Iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong nanay, tatay, no, na malayo, magparamdam naman kayo, lalo na kung sobrang tagal na hindi nyo ako nakakausap. Huwag nyo hintayin na sila pa yung mag-message. Okay? So, yeah. Ace of Pentacles. The Four of Cups. Meron ditong parang feeling na nireject or feeling like afraid na ma-reject. Merong offer na parating in the near future for you, fire signs. Pero nandito yung parang pag-aalala. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong sabihin nating parang unplanned pregnancy. Okay? Anong mangyayari sa atin? We are not ready. Parang ganyan. Okay? Meron ditong hindi pa kayong magpaka-magulang, magpaka-nanay, magpaka-tatay. Okay? So, ang mga bugso ng damdamin. Okay? Kung sino man sa inyo. Oo, yung parang hindi pa ready, and yeah, be responsible. Okay? Kasi may chance dito ng pregnancy in the near future. Tapos hindi handa. Okay? Some of you mayroon ditong offer ng mas malaking sahod. Okay? I think kasi may kasamang pag-travel, may kasamang paglayo. So, parang, paano yun? So, may pag-aalala or may sadness na kasama. Pero, I think, being practical is kailangan na rin nowadays, no? Okay? So, there. Next. Water signs. Okay. Hindi siya makita. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong message for you? Okay. Anong message for water signs? Kumusta naman ang mga water signs? Hang on. Shuffle ko lang ng kaunti. Okay. Okay. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong marinig? The High Priestess. The Hierophant. Meron ditong parang a secret affair. Yeah, may secret affair. Some of you, I don't know, this is like a secret. Tapos, pwedeng pagdating sa workplace, may mga malalaman kayo, something, rumor, mga ganyan, okay? Yeah, the Queen of Wands Universe. Energy ng side dick, side bitch, mga ganyan, okay? So, a secret affair. May secret marriage ako nakikita rito. Secret marriage. Okay. Yeah, the Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Someone is feeling trapped. Okay, emotionally. Yeah. Meron dito nagdaramdam. Water sign, Pisces, Cancer. Pwedeng kayo, nagdaramdam kayo. Someone is trapped. The Eight of Swords. Yeah, the King of Cups Universe. Meron tayong pair dito. Pero, hindi sila magkatulad. No? Someone is like stuck over a situation. Maybe. Okay? And the Five of Cups in reverse. Someone needs to move on. Or maybe someone is too tired moving on. Or pwedeng too afraid to move on. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Tower. Death in reverse. Yes. Energy ng hindi maka-move on dito. Merong hindi maka-move on. Yeah, see? Someone is, pwedeng merong ni-reject dito. The Seven of Wands. Energy ng rejection. Yeah, this is energy of rejection. Itong si Seven of Wands. This is may nagsabi ng no. May nagsabi ng stop. May nagsabi ng, yeah, this is avoiding. Okay? Avoiding. Parang, yeah. Pero, yun nga. The Death in reverse. Ito yung energy na parang repeat. From a situation na nag-end, tapos babalik. Parang ganyan. Someone is, giving you happiness. The Sun. Someone is giving you happiness. Pero the Knight of Wands, this is not, energy ng kaseryosohan. This is like, parang open. Walang patutunguhan. Parang meron lang dito naghahanap ng kalinga. Parang ganyan. So, I think, yeah. Ang sad nito, water signs. Ang sad. Someone is loving you or maybe you're loving someone pero hindi pwede. Oh my God. Okay. And yeah, trying to avoid the situation pero it's really hard. Parang ganyan. It's really, really hard. Okay. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, ano bang meron for you guys? Okay. What's up? Okay. What is going on? May naririnig akong ganyan. Ano nangyayari? Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Message for you. The Knight of Cups in reverse. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. So, may nag-stop, may nag-pause. Okay? Something na hindi nag-work out. The Three of Pentacles. Yeah, avoiding. Pero nandyan yung regrets, nandyan yung disappointments nila. Kung ikaw ang lumayo, the Three of Pentacles in reverse, nandyan yung sadness, nandyan yung disappointments, nandyan lahat yung, I don't know, like parang nasayangan. Someone kasi is hindi consistent. So, nandyan yung walang kooperasyon, nandyan yung hindi magkaroon ng magandang daloy. Death. So, that's an ending. Changes. The Four of Wands. Okay. So, I'm seeing here, whenever you're, you chose na magkaroon ng pagbabago or to end something na hindi na rin totally nafi-fix. Parating ang magandang panimula. Okay, Death and the Four of Wands. This is a new beginning. This is an energy of stability. This is this is changes. I think this is like a 360 degrees changes. Okay, so may nangyaring delay before. So I guess this is like an energy of realizations. Okay. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reverse. This is having focus na. Oo, parang before, confused ako, ganyan. So, maraming hindi nagiging okay, nawawala ka sa ruta, parang ganyan. No? Why? Okay. So, yeah. Oops. Yeah, the Page of Swords in reverse. So, someone is stalking you. You have a stalker. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. Itong stalker na to, pwedeng air sign. Aquarius is here din. Pero, yeah. Hindi man mahalaga yan. Yung zodiac. Ang mahalaga is energy. So, itong taong ito is someone who is so afraid to take risk, to communicate, mga ganyan. They're afraid. Some of them, hindi nila kaya na maging totoo pagdating sa sarili nila. Some of you, pwedeng may mga taong nagsasabi ng hindi maganda rin about you. Parang ganyan. The side eye, mga ganyan. Okay? So, may mga taong pinag-uusapan ka whenever your back is turned. Mga ganyan. Okay? Mayroon ditong taong nagpapakita na hindi sila naapektuhan sa isang sitwasyon. Pero yes, naapektuhan sila sa totoo lang. Okay? Hindi nila pinapakita na affected, pero yeah, 100% naapektuhan sila. Okay? Again, someone is thinking of you a lot. They're confused. Andyan yung mind games, head games, mga ganyan. Okay? Someone na pwedeng younger. They want to communicate, but yeah, I think in-end mo to. Okay, in-end mo to, yeah. The Seven of Wands. In-end mo sila. Okay, so, in general, maraming pagbabago ang mangyayari sa inyo, Earth signs. Sa pamamahay, sa pamumuhay nyo, sa career, sa business, sa love life. Lahat-lahat. May mangyayaring pagbabago. Okay? So, yeah. Yan nakikita ko. Pero, pinanggigitnaan kayo, no, ng mga taong hindi tapat. Mga taong hindi consistent. Pero, yeah, kung alam mo kung anong focus mo, magiging okay ka. Okay? So, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!